Hey, welcome to Rygaard Creations. In this video, I will show you one of the biggest secrets of 3DCoat: how to create a special custom hybrid room in 3DCoat. That's right. Finally, I will transform the Rygaard Creations custom sculpt room into a unique and powerful custom hybrid room that will hold menus, tools, brushes, and commands from other rooms or specific areas in the same workspace, okay? Great. I will start this process by merging the paint room with the sculpt room, which is the basis of the Rygaard Creations room. Therefore, I will make that the menus at the top of the paint room interface can appear and be used normally, even if you are in the sculpt room, okay? I will open the menu.cpp script and I will go directly to the main function. As you may already know, I like to work in a safe, non-destructive way, and I suggest that you also do the same as I will do next, okay? So, I'm going to select the entire main function. Press Ctrl C on the keyboard to copy everything. And right here, after the closing curly bracket of the main function, I'm going to press Ctrl V on the keyboard to paste. Great. Now, we have two main functions in this script. I did this because one of these functions will be my backup that will give me the opportunity to reverse anything if I want in the future. So, I'm going to choose the last main function as my backup. Good. To do this, I'm going to use the multi-line comment on this last main function. Before the word void of the main function, I will press on the keyboard the slash key and the asterisk. And after the close curly bracket of the main function command block, I will press the asterisk key and the slash key. Great. Now that I have commented on the last main function, I will come back here to the first main function. Inside the conditional structure if not is new scene, I'm going to select the first and the second conditional structure if is in room paint. And I will press delete key to delete them. I will select the conditional structure if is in room voxels and also press the delete key. Don't worry, in the end, we always have a happy ending, or not. Now, it's time to explain to you all something new in program, okay? Inside the conditional structure if is in room paint, after the close parenthesis of paint, right here, I will press twice on the vertical bar key, pipe key, on the keyboard. And then I will write is in room voxels. But what does this conditional mean? First of all, the two vertical bars, pipe key, within a conditional, it means or. So, the conditional means the following. If we are in the paint room, or if we are in the sculpt room, if really only one of these two conditions is true, then all the functions that are inside the command block of the conditional structure will be executed, right? Right. This means that whatever tool or brush I'm using from Sculpt Room will appear in the Sculpt Room and Paint Room menus. Also, if I am using any tool or brush from Paint Room, the Sculpt Room and Paint Room menus will also appear at the top of the interface. Sounds good, right? Great. My next step is to tell 3DCoat which menus I would like to appear at the top of the interface, according to this condition that I defined. To do this, inside the conditional structure if is in room paint or is in room voxels, I will write the functions names corresponding to the menus. I already have here the textures, layers, and bake menus from the paint room. So, after the layer menu function, I'm going to add the hide menu function. And after the paint bake menu, I'm going to add the freeze menu and the geometry menu functions. Great. Finally, it's time to prove to you all that everything I have done here inside the script is correct. I'm going to save this script, close it, back to 3DCoat and click the OK button. And as you can see, I have successfully added the paint room menus right here. At the top of my custom room interface Rygaard creations, right? Right. But it's missing a feature here at the top of the interface. It's true. The paint room paint mask conditions menu is missing. So I need to open the menu.cpp script. And I will return to the main function. Great. In the main function, I need to make just a single addition to the conditional structure if is in room paint. That has the function menu item paint dependency. And as you may already know, this function corresponds to the paint room's paint mask conditional functionality. What I will do right here is to have the same conditional I did above for the menus, okay? I will simply select within the condition only the two vertical bars, pipe. And even after the close parentheses of the voxels. Press Ctrl+C on the keyboard to copy. And after the paint parentheses, I press Ctrl+V on the keyboard to paste the rest of missing condition. Now, once again, I will prove to you that we will have a happy ending. I'm going to save this script, close it, go back to 3DCoat and click the OK button. And as you can see, I have also added it successfully at the top of the interface, the paint mask conditions menu, right? Right. Finally, I have started the process of a unique and powerful custom hybrid room, but there are other things missing, which I will do. I hope you have learned something new, and as always, I will see you all in the next video. See you there.